Or some last things to say before we begin this cooking. So listen to the koi.
Does everybody have a coach?
Can I see the gas?
Let me put it this way.
I want to see how you do it.
Everybody who needs a coach has a coach.
Angel.
Angel. If you feel like you don't need one, then you don't need one. Last call. All right. So when you're ready to use the stove, go grab one of our adults to turn it on for you. It could be your coach, or it could be some other adult to turn it on. Right? Everybody got that?
Yes.
Okay. Someone asked if they can use more than one egg. So I'm gonna switch up the rule real quick. You can trade your ingredients with the next team. So if you don't need something and you need one more egg, you can go and see if someone wants to trade with you. Right? And one of your score that you're going to be judged on is teamwork. So not only does your food taste good, but if we're going to be walking around and watch how you work in teams. And one of the things that you're going to factor into your final score is your teamwork. So if we see someone just sitting in your team and you're excluding them from helping, we're going to deduct your final score. So make sure that your team has your original team members. The only other one is the last one that we added in, right? So if you have a new member, you got to let them know so you know how to balance out the team. Like that? So if you have changes in team, you got to let them know.
Any last minute additions? Yeah.
So coach, you can't touch. You can only use your mouth, no hands.
How many dishes you have to make? Tricky. One? Just one dish, right?
You can make as many as you want.
And safety is you stay away from the fire and only one person handle the knife. One person handle the knife. Don't poke your finger in there and one person handle the knife.
Any questions? So you're gonna there's 6 trays of ingredients inside the kitchen. Kim will be there handing them out. And myself. So that's it.
Remember, presentation is going to be factor 2, so make your food presentable. That will be a factor.
Okay, one point I forgot. Salt, pepper, soy sauce, fish sauce. That's a community item. Oil for frying. That's all community. Questions?
What's the time limit?
You have 1 hour, so 6:10 right now. 7. I'll give you another 5 minutes. 7:15.
How many sinks are there? It doesn't get water stuff.
Huh? Washing?
Yeah.
1. So, strategize. While someone's watching, if you want to be efficient, you should be thinking about what you're going to do while someone's watching, right? All right.
Question. How are we allowed to get?
So after you're done using the oil or fish sauce or soy sauce, put it back where you found it. When you hear the whistle, you can start coming over here and we'll hand out the hand.
You got this. Just redo it. You got this. Who's gonna watch it?
We only have to wash the red peppers.